Taking a slow breath in and a longer breath out. Let the exhale soften your shoulders, your jaw, and your belly. There's nothing to fix right now. Nothing to work out. You are simply arriving. And imagine now that you are standing outside a beautiful house. This is your healing house, your Hampe Nawasi. Notice the path that leads to the doorway. Notice the light. The air. Perhaps gentle spring rain falling around you. Feeling the ground beneath your feet. You are safe here. Beside the doorway is a small bowl of water. Dip your fingers into it and just bless yourself, your forehead, your heart, your belly. Softly say inside, may my mind be clear. May my heart be kind. May my home be blessed. Place your hand on the door. Feel that you are welcome. This house knows you. It has been waiting for you. Slowly, gently, step inside. The air is calm. The walls feel steady and protective. Like a warm cloak around your shoulders. Take a moment where in this house do you feel most at ease? Take a moment to explore this house. Let your body guide you. There is no need to decide with the mind. Move there now. And when you get there in this space, you see a small altar, a candle flame, a bowl of clear water, sit beside it and let yourself rest. And invite a wise, compassionate being or presence to join you. It may be an ancestor, a teacher, an animal ally, or simply a presence of deep compassion. You don't need to force an image. Just sense when they arrive. Notice what shifts in your body. Perhaps your breath deepens. Perhaps your chest softens. Let yourself be met exactly as you are. Bring to mind one small thread in your life or home that needs healing. Not the whole story, just one piece. Where do you feel it in your body? Allow it to be known here. You are not alone with it. Your healing presence blesses the bowl of water with their breath and offers it to you. Hold it gently. Imagine this water is soft spring rain. Let it wash through your energy. Clearing heaviness, stagnation, old tension. Now see that your healing house has deep roots descending into Pachamama. All that is heavy can drain downwards. the earth receives it and transforms it. Nothing is wasted. Rest here for a few breaths. And now the water becomes luminous, clear, alive, nourishing. Let it flow into the places that were tired, tight, or afraid. Let harmony return to the inner rooms of your being. Silently repeat, I receive what supports life, and I release what no longer belongs. And now gently ask, what is one simple practice that will help keep my house and my heart clear this month? Listen. It may be something very small. Trust the first gentle knowing. Before you leave, see your healing house. Softly overlay your real home, room by room, light touching corners, doorways protected, the center calm. Your house becomes a healing house. Thank your healing presence. Thank the house and the water. Feel your breath again. Feel your body sitting here. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. And if you wish, take a real sip of water now and seal the blessing inside.